Think you know everything about the planets in our solar system? From Mercury to Neptune, each one holds strange and surprising secrets you've probably never heard before. By the end of this video, you might even change your favorite planet. Here are 7 incredible facts about the planets you didn't know. 1. Mercury, a planet of extremes. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but it's much stranger than you think. During the day, its surface can reach a scorching 430 degrees Celsius, while at night it drops to a freezing minus 180 degrees Celsius. This is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap or distribute heat, turning the planet into an extreme oven by day and a freezer by night. 2. Venus, a day longer than a year. Venus spins so slowly on its axis that one day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its 225-day year. In other words, a full day on Venus lasts longer than a Venusian year. Even stranger, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of all the other planets, which means the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. 3. Earth, a surprisingly dry planet. We think of Earth as the water planet, right? But the truth is that water makes up only 0.2% of Earth's total mass. Yes, 70% of the surface is covered by water, but inside, Earth is mostly solid rock. Compared to the dry planets like Mercury or Mars, it may seem wet, but in the cosmic scale, Earth is quite dry. 4. Mars, planet of endless dust storms. Mars is famous for its gigantic dust storms. Sometimes they cover the entire planet. These storms can last for weeks or even months, turning the whole surface into a hazy red blur. In 2001, a NASA rover lost communication because of such a storm. For future astronauts, these storms could be one of the biggest dangers. 5. Jupiter, no solid surface. Jupiter is huge, but it has no solid ground to stand on. As you go deeper into its atmosphere, gas turns into liquid, then into metallic hydrogen near the core. This metallic hydrogen creates Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, 14 times stronger than Earth's. 6. Saturn, the planet that could float. Saturn is so light and low in density that it could float in water if you could ever find a bathtub big enough. Its famous rings are mostly made of ice, 99.9% pure water ice particles. Imagine how massive and bright these rings must be. 7. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus has the weirdest tilt of any planet, almost 98 degrees. It literally rolls around the Sun on its side. This tilt causes extreme seasons. One pole can stay in sunlight for 42 years, while the other is plunged into darkness for the same amount of time. On Earth, such a condition would wipe out most life forms. So, the planets in our solar system are much stranger than they seem. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing space videos.